नमस्कार। नानीहरूको भौतिक उपस्थितिमा हुने पढाइ सँगसँगै उनीहरूको आफ्नो सृजनात्मक अभिव्यक्ति समेत महत्त्वपूर्ण हुने भएकोले गर्दाखेरि र खास गरी यो पेन्डेमिकको कारणले लगभग 2 वर्ष नानीहरूको क्रिएटिभिटी सृजना चाहिँ नि देखाउने अवसर राम्रोसँग प्राप्त नभइराखेको र नानीहरूलाई पनि कतिपय यो अतिरिक्त क्रियाकलापहरूमा समेत समावेश गर्न सकेको सन्दर्भमा हामीहरूले नानीहरूलाई सकेसम्म पढाइ सँगसँगै नानीहरूको क्रिएटिभ जुन अभिव्यक्ति छ त्यसलाई समेत चाहिँ नि उजागर गर्नको लागि लिटल एन्जल्स एक्सपो 2078 को आयोजना गरेका छौँ र नानीहरूले छोटो समयमा धेरैवटा त्यस्ता राम्रा सृजनाहरू चाहिँ नि पस्केका छन् र ती नानीहरूको ती सम्पूर्ण सृजनाले उनीहरूलाई आगामी दिनमा आफ्नो शैक्षिक गतिविधिमा थप सहयोग पुग्नेछ र नानीले अझ बढी ज्ञानहरू हासिल गर्न सक्नेछन्, सृजनात्मक कामहरू गर्नलाई प्रेरणा मिल्नेछ भन्ने हामीले उद्देश्य लिएका छौँ र नानीहरूलाई सकेसम्म यस्ता कामहरूमा अझ बढी उत्प्रेरित गर्न सकियो भने उनीहरूको शैक्षिक प्रगति अझै राम्रो हुने कुरामा दुईमत नहोला।
Great Himalayan range of Nepal. It has many mountains like Mount Everest, Mount Lhotse, Mount Annapurna, Mount Nilgiri, etc. Mostly we find Sherpas in this region. Many people from all over the world come here for mountaining and expeditions. As the land structure of this area is very dangerous and risky, so there is a Sherpas to guide the tourists and their livings. We find rocky soils and the climate weather is snowy.
I'm going to talk about the hilly region of Nepal. The hilly region of Nepal consists of lacustrine and fertile soil, and people usually do terrace vegetable farming here.
I'm going to talk about Tarai region of Nepal. Tarai region of Nepal consists of very fertile soil. This region has warm climate. This region is very suitable for agriculture. It has fertile and alluvial soil. The people from different castes like Rajbangshi, Tharu, Brahmin, Kshetri, Rai and Limbu etc. live in this region. This is also called the granary of Nepal. Thank you.
At last, I would like to say that the black color represents the soft soil and the brown color represents the soft soil, and the black dots over here represent the bedrocks of the earth. Thank you.
हजुर एकदम राम्रो मिहिनेत गरेर रहेछ सबैले, सानो क्लासदेखि ठुलो क्लाससम्म सबैको मिहिनेत राम्रो लाग्यो। मलाई चाहिँ एकदम मन पर्यो उनीहरू।
हामीलाई यो आज आमन्त्रण गरेर यो विद्यार्थीले गरेको कला कौशलता आफ्नो ज्ञानको सिपलाई प्रयोग गरे विद्यार्थीले त्यो अवलोकन गर्ने अवसर दिनुभयो, यसको लागि हजुरलाई धन्यवाद। हाम्रा विद्यार्थीहरूले पनि यहाँ आएर समग्रमा तलदेखि माथिसम्म ओरदेखि परसम्म सम्पूर्ण क्रियाकलापहरू हेरे। यसले हाम्रा विद्यार्थीले ज्ञान आर्जन गरे एक ठाउँमा छ। अर्को कुरो जुन विद्यार्थीले आज प्रस्तुति दिए प्रेजेन्टेसन गरे उनीहरूको लागि यसले थप हौसला, थप प्रेरणा, जिम्मेवारीता अनि आफ्नो ज्ञानमा कति के रहेछ, कति प्रस्तुत गर्न सक्नेछु भन्ने कुरो ज्ञान महसुस गरेको मैले देखेँ। अनि अर्को कुरो अहिलेको आवश्यकता केवल विद्यार्थीलाई हामी पढ्ने मात्र कुरा गर्छौँ, त्यो पढेको कुरालाई प्रस्तुति गर्ने अनि के रहेछ समाजको आवश्यकता, कस्तो बनाउनु पर्ने छ, विज्ञानका कुराहरू के रहेछन्, कस्ता भएका रहेछन् भन्ने कुरो देखाउनको लागि यो आजको प्रस्तुतिले धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा दिएको छ। अनि अर्को कुरो आज जुन कार्यक्रम भयो यहाँ अभिभावकहरू आइरहनु भएको छ, हेरिरहनु भएको छ, अनि आफ्ना बच्चाले कति सिकेछ, कतिसम्म गरेछ भन्ने कुरो आफ्नै आँखाले हेर्न पाउँदा अभिभावकहरू पनि मैले खुसी भएको महसुस गरेँ। अनि हामी शिक्षकवर्गहरू छौँ, पढाउँछौँ, दिन रात मेहनत गराउँछौँ, त्यो मेहनत गराएको कुरो कति प्रतिफल निक्लिँदो छ, कतिसम्म हुँदो रहेछ, रुचिका कुराहरू के रहेछन् भन्ने कुरो पनि देख्न पाइयो। किनकि यहाँ हर विद्यार्थीले आफ्नो रुचिगत कुराहरू दिएको, आफ्नो इच्छाअनुसार प्रस्तुत गरेको, त्यसमा त यदि व्यक्तिलाई इच्छाअनुसार काम गर्न दियो भने उसले असक्षम कुरालाई पनि सक्षम बनाउन सक्दो रहेछ, असम्भव कुरालाई सम्भव गर्न सक्दो रहेछ भन्ने कुरो महसुस गरेँ। र समग्रमा आजको कार्यक्रम धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण, आनन्ददायी छ। यसरी नै हामी पनि अन्तर्विद्यालय तरिकाले हामी समन्वय गर्दै यस्ता कार्यक्रमहरूमा हौसला बढाउँदै हामी पनि अगाडि बढौँ।
This is human heart.
This is the external part of the earth, and this is the internal part of the earth. It is mainly divided into 4 chambers. This is left atrium, left ventricle, and this is right atrium and right ventricle. The veins carries these veins carry deoxygenated blood, and this artery carries oxygenated blood.
The model of the quiz board here we can see, and the quiz board made by class 7A, and the boy here sitting will explain about this. Okay.
2 column, 1 for question and 1 for answer. If the answer is correct, then the light will go. If the answer is not correct, then the light will not go. And
Here is one air cooler which is made from one DC motor, 9-volt battery with connector, DC switch, and many other materials. If you connect motor and 9-volt battery with the help of wire, then the profiler will move.
6A is going to describe about terrace farming. Terrace farming is a method of planting grains and other plants by different steps on the slope. This prevents soil erosion. This is mainly done on Himalayan and hilly region.
Here we can see the model which is like a volcano. And what have you made here?
Volcano.
Okay, you have made a volcano. Okay, will it work? What are the materials you have used here?
Vinegar and baking soda.
This is Dream City, and it is well managed city planning. Every facilities are provided to the citizens living here, and here different types of religious sites are here like mandir, church and stupas, and we have used different type of reusable items while making this. LED lights are used for making street light. Cartoons are used for making buildings, and instead of grasses we have used green carpets.
Okay, moving on, we have seen the beautiful city, and we are moving on to the mathematical section. Can you please explain about it?
Yes sir, it is a solid set of mathematicals. We can see here it is a cube, and we have made some properties over here. We can color it that people will know it properly, that small child can see, then it will be attractive for them to look. And we can make a cuboid, cone, cylinder, pentagonal pyramid and triangular pyramids.
Okay, very good. Good shapes of the mathematics. Now we are moving here. We can see the properties of the circle made by our sisters from students from class 8, and here we can see the diameter section and the arc section, which is not quite lighting because of the technical problem, and the major segment and minor segment. All these sections are working very properly, and they have demonstrated it very beautifully. Okay, now moving on, we are moving here to the multiplication table, and again our prince will describe about the multiplication table.
It is a multiplication table. We can rotate it and another number will come, like plus into plus, it will be plus. We have made some design that people, small child will look and they will be attractive, and another minus into plus, 2 into 2, 4. We have made many more. If we roll them, another number will start come, and the child will look this. It is designers, they will come, they will attractive, they will know about multiplication and the basic knowledge that we have keep mathematics to them.
Okay, here we can see some more designs of mathematics, and one of the Napier bone, about the Napier bone.
So this is Napier bone. This was invented by a Scottish mathematician called John Napier in 1617 AD. It consists of 11 rods, and from 0 to 9. It is very helpful in multiplicating large numbers. In John Napier time, it was the only form of multiplication and divisions.
Now we can see some other structure. What is this?
This is a type of game, and this is called a math quiz. And we will give you some problems here in you have to solve by using these numbers. If you can solve in 10 seconds, you will get prize.
Okay, moving on, we have come here to the mathematics department, and they have made something round figure. What have you made here?
Good afternoon, sir. This is a multiplying board. We can also call this multiplying machine.
This is for junior and primary level student like us. This is easy for learning for the students, and it goes like this: 4 2 is 8, 3 4 is 12.
Okay, total how many circles have you made in total?
We have made 2 to 10.
Okay, moving on, we have come to the types of angle.
This is types of angle. There are 6 angle: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full rotation. Acute angle means less than 90. Example is 50, 40, like that. Right angle means exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Example are 120, 130, like that. Straight angle means exactly 180 degree. And reflex angle means more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Examples are 320, 330, like that.
We can see a beautiful model of house made by our student Ardip Gautam. The house seems very beautiful and strong. So Ardip, can you please tell what are the materials you have used here to make this beautiful design of house?
Cardboard, flower, color, bamboo stick, glue, etc.
Okay, moving on, here we can see a beautiful model of water cycle made by our students of class 7. So can you please explain about how it works?
So this is water cycle. Due to the heat of sun, it turns into vapor and it turns into clouds and goes up and starts to rain. When it goes little bit higher, it starts to snow, and when it snows, it due to the heat of sun, it melts and goes in the river and it deposit in the ocean and it will continuously continue. That's why it is called water cycle.
Okay, the cycle goes on and on to create a water cycle. Okay, very good.
We have made this beautiful model of Manakamana with cable cars, and this Manakamana is made with 3 layers and it was built by King Ram Saha and Prithivinaran Saha. And to make it more beautiful, we have decorated with some lightings and colorful papers, and it belongs to Goddess Durga. And to make it more beautiful, we have colored it with many different colors and some mixtures of black and white, which make it grey. And as we move on to cable car, it is the first cable car service of Nepal, which starts from Kurintar of Chitwan and ends in Manakamana of Gorkha. It was built in November 24, 1998 AD, and it when the motor starts, it revolves around, and and we have chosen the concept of village area right here. And
This is a small model of the city safari which we made. It is made from cartoon and it's run from battery, and it can run also.
Can you please demonstrate about it?
Environment pollution. This is cement factory, this is brick factory. You can see here how they are polluting our environment. We want to tell only this much. For this presentation, we need to make practice and other brick practice and other practice, but in separate and certain.
cut trees. Here we have cement factory, brick factory, and 5-star hotel. Because of this pollution, it affects our heart, lungs, and our human beings area we can build.
At the last, we want to tell only this much. Stop environment pollution for our beautiful and long life.
Okay, thank you very much. That's very beautiful.
We have make it more a model of society and its problem. We have keep it simple and effective way to learn to our people about society and its problem. We have given some common definition in chart paper also, like dowry system, drug abuse, child marriage, and all. And we have keep it simple to our people, and we have given some houses in center part of it. But our main attraction is the outer card of it's for the more attraction.
Beautiful model of acid rain made by our students of class 7, and they will explain about it.
Sir, this is our acid rain model. The harmful gases which is released from factories such as nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide get mixed in atmosphere and react with water, oxygens and form sulfuric and nitric acid. When the rainfall occurs, these harmful gases these acids particles will falls on the ground and it destroy the fertility of soil and destroy monuments, buildings. There is one of the example of this acid rain effect also. Taj Mahal of Agra, it is different skin disease, cancer, damage our eyes.
This is a city area and this is a village area. In the city area there is a beautiful trees, beautiful roads, beautiful hospital, good education, good facilities, and on the other side there is the village area. There is not good facilities, there is not good roads, not good house, but also there it will be agriculture and transport to the village area.
र यसैले ग्राउन्ड फ्लोर र फर्स्ट फ्लोरको हामीले चाहिँ प्रदर्शनी हेरिसकेर अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ र यो कार्यक्रमलाई हामीले निहालेर हेरिरहँदा के कुरा चाहिँ यसले प्रस्ट्याउँछ भन्दाखेरि बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ जुन किताबी ज्ञान हुन्छ त्योभन्दा पनि बढी चाहिँ अतिरिक्त क्रियाकलापहरूमा चाहिँ बढी रुचि हुँदो रहेछ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यो जुन बच्चाहरूको उत्साहजनक सहभागिता छ यसले पनि प्रष्ट पार्दो रहेछ र जुन यो बच्चाहरूले छोटो समयमा पनि यस्तो उत्साहजनक सहभागिता देखाएर राम्रो खालको चाहिँ प्रदर्शनी देखाउनु भएको छ त्यसले पनि यो कार्यक्रम चाहिँ सफल भएको हामीले महसुस गरिरहेका छौँ र यो कार्यक्रम सफल बनाउनको लागि हातमा हात मिलाएर अगाडि बढ्नुहुने मेरा सम्पूर्ण शिक्षक साथीहरू, सञ्चालक सरहरू र सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू र यहाँ उपस्थित हुनुहुने सम्पूर्ण अभिभावकहरूलाई म धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु र यो कार्यक्रमलाई लिएर अगाडि बढ्दै जाँदाखेरि जे बाधा अवरोध आए पनि जुन चाहिँ विषयका प्रमुख शिक्षकहरू हुन्थ्यो उहाँहरूले पनि जुन भूमिका खेल्नुभएको छ त्यसको लागि पनि उहाँहरूलाई म धेरै धेरै आभार प्रकट
20 rupees and this is 50 rupees, this is 60 and that is 35 and again 20 and 15 rupees for that
हामीले आलु चप, पानीपुरी, मोमो, लस्सी यति नै हो सामानहरू। प्राइसहरू के छ त? प्राइस भनेको पानीपुरीको 5 रुपियाँको दुईटा, आलु चपको एउटाको 5 रुपियाँ, मोमोको 30 रुपियाँ, लस्सीको 25 रुपियाँ, अरू यति नै हो। कतिको सेल हुँदैछ? सेल हुँदैछ अलिअलि, राम्रै भइरहेछ।
Traffic rule is a one must thing in our village. The first one is red. The red lights means to bus vehicles stop. The second one is yellow. The yellow lights means to be ready, and the third one is green. Green light means to go.
चाहिँ अब साइन्सका कुराहरू राम्रो राम्रो अब यहाँ त्यो सिस्टमहरू हैन आफूले पढेका कुराहरू व्यवहारमा उतारेर देखाउनु भयो। अनि कसैले अब अर्को सोलर सिस्टम सम्बन्धी हैन त्यस्ता क्रियाकलापहरू चाहिँ हामीले देखाएर चाहिँ राम्रो गर्नुभएको छ। अरू विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा साइन्सको क्षेत्रमा, म्याथको क्षेत्रमा हैन अरू विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा भनेपछि नानीहरू यो हाम्रो स्कुलमा आएर नानीहरूले यहाँ अध्ययन गर्दाखेरि हरेक क्षेत्रमा नानीहरू हाम्रो नानीहरू केही दक्ष भएका छन् र भविष्यमा के गर्न सक्छन् यिनीहरूले।